Hi guys, in this video I will show you how I fixed the cranks but no start problem on this 2014 Hyundai Santa Fe. But before that, I'd like to tell you first what I have observed before it completely died. I had the car washed and ready for sale. I was taking pictures of it when it suddenly died. I thought it was just because the keys are with me and I was outside of the car for a few minutes. So I just went in back and started it again and started right up. I didn't think that something was about to happen. So I went back home, drove for about 10 minutes and parked the car. Then I decided to use the car to go to my cousin's house, which is about an hour away. And when I was trying to start the car, it took me like 3 tries before it started. And when it started, I didn't really think of anything wrong with the car. I went ahead and used the car, drove for like 40 minutes to a grocery store first near my cousin's house. But after getting the groceries, the car wouldn't start anymore. Worst thing is, I didn't bring any tools with me, so I cannot really diagnose anything. So I kept on trying, but it really wouldn't start. So I decided to have it towed to my cousin's house since it's there, and just spent the night there. And the next morning, that's when I started troubleshooting and look for the problem with the car. Okay, so the car is dead. I'm here at my cousin's house. I tried to remove this earlier. This is the high pressure fuel pump and there was no gas coming out from here when I turned the key on. I checked the fuse, it's okay. So what I did is I lifted up the rear seats to get access to the fuel pump, and when I checked, there's no power coming to this side, which is the one that supplies power to the pump. So to test it, I took the battery out here, got a piece of wire and tried to send some power to the fuel pump itself, and it worked. It pumped. And to verify that, I went in here, loosened this bolt, and there the gas squirted out and there was pressure. So the culprit is probably this, because when I tried to search for the relay for the fuel pump, and it says that this whole piece has the fuel pump relay integrated into this one whole unit. So I need to remove this and look for a replacement. I couldn't get this EMS box out. It has 4 clips. So what I tried to do is I cut some plastic strips and inserted it to keep the clips open, and I'll try to pry it out and see if it will come out. Okay, finally we got this out. I had to remove everything. So you need to remove the air box first, remove the ECU so you can have a space to twist it and take this out. Now the next problem is where to find this.
One eternity later.
Okay, so I'm back here at the car. I got a used part. This one, I got this for $35. The part that I ordered will be arriving tomorrow, Friday. But the problem is, I have work on Saturday and Sunday. So if I wait for that, I'll be able to come back here on Monday, which is probably too long already to leave the car here. Since it's my day off today, I tried to look for a used one and I found this one. But the problem is, it was wet because the car doesn't have a hood anymore and the cover was removed. So I hope this still works, but I'll give it a shot. But I already tried to open this. The inside was dry and there's a little bit of starting to get burned, a dark spot on one of the relays, but I forgot to take a video of it. But I'll show you later when I When I'm finished with this, I'll show you the broken one that I replaced for you to have some idea on what's inside of this, and if you can try to fix this because I think you can actually replace the relay inside. So let me go ahead and put this on. Okay, so let's put this back. I think I should at least put the battery on and see if the fuel pump will start priming before I put everything back. I forgot there's one main wire here going to the fuse box. Forgot about this. Don't forget to plug the fuel pump back in. So that's this way. I just wanted to try the fuel pump first, but I'll have to remove this again because I need to put the air box in if it will work. Okay, I'll try to crank it and see if it will start. Press the button once. Accessory. One more. I think I heard it priming. So let's see. Brakes. Foot on the brake. Start. Okay, started. It's running now. So I switch it off and I'll put everything back together. Okay, that's it. Let's try to start it again. Check engine codes. So I think we're good. That's it. I'll just put the back seats back and we're going home. So thank you guys for watching and have a good one. Okay, so this is what's inside the EMS box. So this was here, but I already removed this. This is the burglar alarm horn, this is the engine control relay, and this is the fuel pump relay. I removed this because I was thinking about moving this because they are the same. I was thinking about moving this burglar alarm horn relay into this and trying to use it again because they are the same. I also tried to check you can buy this online. So I think you can actually just replace this and reuse this. But as you can see, I damaged the copper. So I don't think I can reuse this board. But anyway, I think you can try replacing this relay if you'd like to.